Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. This tutorial will guide you through setting up alerts using Prometheus and Grafana. We will cover the following topics. 1. Prerequisites. 2. Setting up Prometheus. 3. Setting up Grafana. 4. Creating a dashboard. 5. Creating alerts in Prometheus. 6. Configuring alerts in Grafana. 7. Testing alerts. 1. Prerequisites. Before we start, make sure you have the following installed. Prometheus, for collecting metrics. Grafana, for visualizing metrics and setting up alerts. Node Exporter, optional to gather metrics from your system, or any other metrics source. 2. Setting up Prometheus. 1. Install Prometheus. Download Prometheus from the official site, https://prometheus.io/download/Prometheus. 2. Basic configuration. Create a configuration file prometheus.yml. YAML. Global. Scrape_interval, 15. Set the scrape interval to every 15 seconds. Scrape_configs. Job_name, node. Static_configs. Targets, localhost 9100 node exporter runs on this port. 3. Run Prometheus. Start Prometheus using the following command. bash /prometheusconfig.file equals prometheus.yml. 4. Access Prometheus. Open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost 9090. You should see the Prometheus UI. 3. Setting up Grafana. 1. Install Grafana. Download Grafana from the official site, https://grafana.com/grafana/download. 2. Run Grafana. Start Grafana with the following command. bash /bin/grafana server web. 3. Access Grafana. Open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost 3000. The default credentials are admin for both username and password. You will be prompted to change it on the first login. 4. Creating a dashboard. 1. Add Prometheus as a data source. Go to Configuration, gear icon, Data Sources. Click on Add Data Source and choose Prometheus. Set the URL to http://localhost 9090 and click Save and Test. 2. Create a dashboard. Go to Dashboards-New Dashboard. Click Add New Panel. In the Query section, enter a PromQL query. For example, to visualize CPU usage. PromQL. Rate, node_CPU_seconds_total 1M. Customize the panel as needed, then save the dashboard. 5. Creating alerts in Prometheus. 1. Update Prometheus configuration. Modify prometheus.yml to add alerting rules. YAML. Rule_files. Alert.rules.yml. Existing scrape configuration. Scrape_configs. Job_name, node. Static_configs. Targets, localhost 9100. 2. Create alerting rules. Create a new file named alert.rules.yml with the following content. YAML. Groups. Name, example_alerts. Rules. Alert, high CPU usage. Expire, average, rate, node_CPU_seconds_total 1M, 0.8. 4, 5M. Labels. Severity, warning. Annotations. Summary, high CPU usage detected. Description, CPU usage is above 80% for more than 5 minutes. 3. Restart Prometheus. Restart Prometheus to apply the new configuration. 6. Configuring alerts in Grafana. 1. Create a new dashboard or edit existing. Go to your dashboard where you want to add alerts. 2. Add alerting. Click on the panel title, then select Edit. Navigate to the Alert tab. Click on Create Alert and configure the alert with conditions that match your Prometheus alerting rules. 3. Notification channels. Go to Alerting-Notification channels and configure where you want to send alerts, example email, Slack, etc. Set up your notification channel with necessary credentials and testing. 7. Testing alerts. To test the alerting setup. 1. Simulate high CPU load. You can artificially load the CPU by running a CPU-intensive script or command. 2. Verify alerts. Check the Grafana Alerts section to see if your alert is firing. Also, check the configured notification channels to see if an alert was sent. Conclusion. You have now successfully set up alerts using Prometheus and Grafana. You can expand upon this by customizing alerts, adding more metrics, and refining your dashboards. Always ensure you have the appropriate alerting thresholds based on your environment and application needs.